So look at this, guys. Bye. A simple Nigerian puff-puff recipe I bet you haven't tried out. Welcome back, my name is OGOM'S. So I want to show you the most popular snacks that we have in Nigeria. Once you hear small chops in any Nigerian wedding, tell them to give you and even take away, because puff-puff is there, samosa is there, spring roll is there, money bag is there, small meat and small chicken is inside. Pepper though, you will really enjoy it. What is a puff-puff without onions and pepper? That means your puff-puff never starts. Let's get right into the ingredients. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and let's do this Nigerian puff-puff recipe. For our ingredients, I want to be mixing everything here so that I don't need to have any disturbance while I am mixing this particular puff-puff. We have our warm water here. We have our salt. We have our nutmeg, and then we have our flour. This is our flour. I stored it here and I like it so much. I got this particular container from H-Medics. Okay, all you have to do is to open up and then you close. We have our sugar and then measuring cups. This particular measuring cups, I got them from Abuja Kitchen Essentials. And then we have our mixing bowl and then the sieve that we'll be using. So let's get right into mixing this particular puff-puff. One other thing is mixing. Hold up. So we have yeast. So this is how they sell yeast in the market. I think this costs 100 naira. Okay, so this is how we're seeing it. Let's get right into the mixing. I'll just be putting the right measurement and then the correct measurement also in the description box. Okay, so this is our mixing bowl. I'll be adding this will serve as our sieve. I know, just don't worry, it's not going to get there. So this is our measuring cup. I'll be using 3 cups of flour. Now this cup is big. Anyway, I shall be using 3 cups. So I'll be adding it here. Just for me to avoid the flour getting here, I will have to start heating it so that it's going to sieve. Always make sure that you sieve your flour. In that way, it's going to remove any residues. Shebina residues, they call them, I'll be waiting. That's 1 cup, 2 cups. But just know that we are making use of 3 cups of flour. Okay, so look at it, it's entering here. So you see the reason why you should sieve your flour. Can you see this? I did not see this thing when I was mixing this flour. So you can see these things, and there is even sugar inside. I can see small thing. I can see sugar inside. So I'll just be pouring this off, and then so this is 1 tablespoon of yeast. We'll be adding it in. So we'll be going in with our salt. This is half tablespoon of salt. I'll be adding it in. So this is 1/4 cup of milk powder, which is powdered milk. I'll be adding it in. So I'll be shredding in some nutmeg into our mixture. I always love the taste of nutmeg or the scent of nutmeg in my puff-puff or in any puff-puff that I will eat outside. Okay, so that's our nutmeg, just a little. This one don't pass a little. I see the shred of gomebunam. You see the shred though. Anyway, this one is enough. So this is also 1/4 cup of our sugar. Let me still add one small. Like this now. Please, my hands are clean. I'm going to be mixing everything together. Before then, you have to boil hot water, okay? Because your water needs to be warm. Don't use cold water in mixing your puff-puff. Please use warm water when you are mixing anything that involves yeast. Use warm water. So I'm going to be mixing the whole ingredients together. Okay, so You people know water is small. So let's do with 1 cup first. Then we'll mix together. We'll be incorporating water small. 1.5 cup first. 1.5 cup. Remember, mix it. I think this one is the way that they do. This one will be for buns because it's too thick. Let me pour more. Small chimbine, because you people told me that I have to be incorporating water small by small. So I'm going to pour small. Let me mix first. So mix everything. So you people can see it wasn't too thick. It's not also too watery. Like this now. We don't mix finish. Now, if you do all like this. OGOM'S series puff like this now. Don't they sell puff? You people should order puff. If you are ordering food, just tell me to add puff. So I just want to show you guys the way I am wrapping this puff. Please, if you don't have cling film or parchment paper, make use of what you have. This is nylon. I am using nylon. I am going to put what's this towel. I will fold it like this inside this towel. Now I will carry it and put inside our pack bag. Where is our pack bag? So this is our pack bag. I will wear it inside. Hey, na me una dey play with. Shebi, you people said one place. Now the one place be this. I won't be putting it into my gas because I'm cooking, so that it doesn't get too hot. So I will just look for one cupboard and put it inside, and then we'll be right back, okay? So we'll be checking on our puff right now. I think this has stayed for like 30 minutes plus now. I'll show you guys this thing here because this is the only place that I'm having rays of sunlight entering the kitchen. So hold on, no. We open this up in the name of the Father and of the Son. Here is a little bit of onions, because what is a puff without onions? I'll be adding onions. We'll add onions, and then we'll be going in with a little bit of pepper. Small pepper, not too much. Yeah, because the children will eat it. And this in, because I don't want my hand to touch pepper. I beg. We'll be using spoon to mix this. Can you see? Before doing all these things, please put frying pan on fire and pour oil. So we'll be moving over to our frying zone. So here is our oil. This is our frying pan. Get a frying pan that is deep or a pot that is deep, and I have left it on the fire. So the aim is to just put a small butter into the oil. Once it comes up, you know, say your oil is ready to use. Are you sure this oil will be enough? Anyway, let's try out small and see how it goes. 1, 2, 3. So here is our puff. Okay, fry to golden brown to your choice. As you can see, so that it doesn't turn too brown. So I'll be removing this to do another batch of the puff. So I have a paper plate. I put a paper towel inside a plate, so I'll be putting it inside. So look at that. I'll be removing this because it's getting too brown. Too brown. So if you're removing puff puff from the fire, just do your sieve. Let excess oil just dribble out. So you remove it like this. Okay. So we'll go in again. I want to do like smaller ones because it seems my first batch was too, they were huge. So let me do like smaller batches. So here is our large batch. This one is now to so brown. So I'll be removing this. So guys, we're done with our puff puff right now, and I want to open up one to show you. Yeah. So look at this. The inside is cooked very well, though it came out too brown, but at least we tried. Don't worry about the shapes. So far the puff puff is phosphoring. We're gonna chop it like that. Now our belly go enter. So look at it. The inside cooked very well. So make sure that you're frying on low heat. And yeah, this is basically how to make puff puff, Nigerian puff puff. And I'm glad I have gotten the recipe one time. But you guys have to let me know in the comment section. Should I always add milk whenever I am making puff puff, or I should just make it that way? Let me know. So here's our puff puff. Have some, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Rate me in the comment section over 10. Let me know how I did. So I'll see you guys. Bye.